Work out your own salvation with fear.
Hey guys, it's Casey. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, thank you so much for stopping by. Today we're decorating a spread in my personal journal that is the classic size vertical layout happy planner. We're going to be using some new stickers that have just released in my shop. These are Christmas candy. You can purchase these now and use the code HOLLYJOLLY, HOLLYJOLLY in all capital letters to save 25% off your entire purchase. I have chosen some washi, some cute polka dot washi that I think will look really cute with this spread. This washi came from Michael's and it is weird. It has like a paper backing, so that'll be fun to try to use. And then I have two markers. So this is a zebra click art in a reddish color, and then this is a mild liner. They don't, oh, this just says green. This one doesn't have a color on it, but this one just says green. And I think I may go ahead and highlight the days of the week here. I don't know, just to kind of fun it up a little bit. And I remembered to do this before I start decorating. I wonder what this would look like if I underline, like outline the days of the week like this with the red. It's kind of cute, isn't it? Trying to line this up. I do need to off camera make the lines. That's cute. I like how it's kind of not like the green and the red aren't equally lined, or the length is not equal. I kind of like that. Makes it look kind of journal-y, like a bullet journal. Murphy. I didn't kick Murphy out of here when I was filming my last video. Probably should have, because he is snoring loudly. They're not even, but that's okay. It'll be okay. So let's see. I wish I'd have done that equally, but oh well. It is what it is. That's why I don't like using pens in my planner, because I tend to mess things up. All right, so let's see what we can do here. Definitely want to use this gingerbread house. Maybe in a corner. Or do I kind of want to do, I think I want to do like all the way down the bottom. Oh, I need to do my lines. Let me do my lines off camera. Okay, I actually changed my mind. I'm going to decorate first and then draw my lines, because I want to go like do a decorative piece at the bottom. So that's what we're going to do. We're going to decorate first and then draw the lines. Now, what can we do? Let's use my small sheets. But first, let's take some of these cute lollipop decorative pieces and kind of just decorate this way. These are adorable. Oops, I ripped that one. And then we're going to go with the small sheet and just we'll do like this little bucket. And then maybe this little jar. See how cute that is? Okay, let's cut down the middle. I'm going to have to boot Murphy out of here. And I hate to, because he only comes back here whenever my husband's not here, because he is definitely my husband's dog. But my husband is gone for a couple hours. He had some things to do, and so Murphy is hanging out with Mom because, you know, second choice. Okay. All right, so what else do we want to do? Let's put some boxes down. Let's put a box here. Gotta try to line this up and make it straight. Try, at least. It's crooked. Okay. I almost want to put a box here, but maybe I'll put lines here. I don't know. We'll figure it out. I think we're gonna make a little cluster there. I think. Cute. Okay. So let's decorate around these boxes, and then we'll put boxes over there. Let's take this, and I think we might just lay over the boxes just to make this spread simple. You could always cut down the side of the decorative sticker to make it look like it's peeking out of the box, but we're not going to do that. And let's take a couple candy canes and place here. Adorable. And I think I might put a quote down here. Let's use, so which Christmas quotes? So I used Christmas quotes 1 in my dashboard layout. Let's do Joy to the World. I think I want to do something. So I'm going to put Joy to the World down here, but I'm going to need to continue on a little bit so that it's kind of even. So this is Christmas quotes 2. And I think we're just going to take this, place it down here. That way it's not like Joy to the World. It's not like cliff hanging. It just looks a little more uniform. Okay. All right, that is cute. So let's see what we can do over here. And then we'll draw the lines in, and then we might do some washi before we do the lines. So I think we're going to go green. I think we're going to do green here. Actually, we're going to go this way. Because this one is going that way, I made this one go that way. It's just how my brain functions. Uh-oh. You know what? We're going to have these 2 red colors together, but I think we'll be okay. I think we're going to go this way. I don't like that. We're going to use another green box. I don't like the two reds are too close in color. So we're doing this. And And then we're going to do a quote up here. And I think we're going to do Be Merry. Whoa, I didn't mean to do that. Okay. That is cute. And then I think we're going to come off the side here with another one of these popsicle, not popsicle. Yeah, no, lollipops. I'm going to use the big one and kind of make this stick go down a little bit into the Be Merry. That's cute. All right, now what else can we do? Let's do some candy canes over here. Uh-oh, I got candy canes and candy canes. I don't like that. So I've got to use my undo again. Today is undo day. And the reason I'm using the undo is because this sticker will rip the color right off my box, and I don't want that. So we're going to let this dry, and while we're letting that dry, I'm going to decide what I want to do over here. I want something over here. I'm thinking we might just use that little lollipop. I think that's what we're going to do. But this needs to dry. That's cute. Okay, all right, let's do some lines in the spread. Okay, I used the Line It Up stencil from the Happy Planner to draw some random lines, and then off camera, I took my washi and used my paper cutter to split it down the middle. So we're just going to try to lay a little bit of washi in the spread, just to add a little bit of cuteness. There is a piece of sticker on the back of that washi. So let's just place a little bit maybe here, maybe a little bit here. That's so cute. And then let's see. I don't really have anywhere to place it over here, so let's take some and put down here. I cut it crooked. I just realized it, but maybe it won't be noticeable. All right, and then I need it one more place over here somewhere. I might put a little bit up here. Let's just cut this straight. All right, see how cute that turned out? Okay, let's put it back in my planner. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget these stickers are available on my website at SoGracefullyBroken.com. Use that code HollyJolly at checkout to save 25% off your entire purchase. Look how cute it turned out. I love it. Okay, so that's it for this video. I thank you guys so much for watching. I love y'all, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye, guys.
I will love